Hello, welcome to the Eaglesix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marine Scar H. So this has came for just sort of a reassemble, problems with it. So we've rebuilt it, found a few missing screws, which we've replaced. The cylinder head we replaced with the original TM cylinder head because we found some wobble on the nozzle on that, so that's been replaced. We needed to put a new anti-reversal latch in there because the anti-reversal latch spring was broken, and we've reseated some of the parts that were loose. There was a small disc from the recoil unit which we put back into its correct place. It would have jammed it where it was, and yeah, just basically kind of just put it together with the motor provided. So hopefully everything's all good. I've range tested it just to make sure it's not going left around corners, and you know, it seems to be shooting okay, although it's a little windy today. I've set it up for 3.2s and it's getting 267 feet per second, so that's a nice high FPS there for sending 3.2s, so that's really good. So yeah, so I'll just shoot it now just to make sure it is good and working. Battery on, that'll help. Obviously it's the original contact switch set on this one. Yeah, we did have an issue with the automatic safety, so we ended up having to go back into the gun and solder that, so that's now permanent, shouldn't cause an issue anymore. There you go, just make sure you run a decent battery. Obviously with the original contact trigger, make sure you don't sort of do any half pulls to get a lock up or anything like that, but obviously if you do, just put it in full auto just to clear. Should be fine. So obviously long-term upgrades, yeah, we'd recommend a gate. Yeah, hop upgrades, yeah, you name it. So you know, obviously this was obviously just sort of put together and repair and get it going again, and like I say, it shoots out to 65, and you know, going to get people, that's the main thing, isn't it? And obviously the FPS is there to make sure they feel it. So we hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. Thank you.